Dear Training and Placement Officer, greetings from ELEATION. My name is Apoorv Bapat. On behalf of Team ELEATION, thank you very much for showing interest in ELEATION's Training, Internship and Placement Program. In this video, I am going to cover who we are, what is CAE, about ELEATION's Training, Internship, Placement Program, complete process of ELEATION's Training, Internship, Placement Program. ELEATION Group has two verticals, ELEATION Services Private Limited, ELEATION Simulation Academy. ELEATION Services Private Limited was started in November 2015. We have our office in Pune, Maharashtra. In ELEATION Services, we perform CAE, CFD, MBD, FEM simulation for 600 plus companies from automobile, civil, marine, aerospace domain. With best-in-class simulation technology, we have completed 1300 plus industrial projects in crash, optimization, CFD, MBD, structural, etc. ELEATION Simulation Academy was started in December 2015. We provide training in ANSYS and Hyperworks software. We have trained 11,000 plus engineers. We have conducted 400 in-house training programs in 320 colleges across India. ELEATION has conducted 90 plus faculty development programs. ELEATION provides CAE training to 400 companies every year. With India's #1 CAE training content, we are the leading training institute in India. Now let's understand what is CAE. Computer-aided engineering is broad usage of computer software to aid in engineering analysis tasks. It includes finite element analysis, computational fluid dynamics, multi-body dynamics, optimization and etc. Now I will cover the difference between CAD and CAE. CAD is about creating or generating 3D model. CAE is about testing its characteristics using engineering methods. Let's understand the difference with an example. This is an image of actual bridge. So virtual representation of actual component is called as CAD. A CAE engineer uses the CAD model and generate nodes and elements, which is called as meshing. Then CAE engineers apply loads and constraints on the mesh model, which is called as loading condition. Then solving it to get the values of stresses and deformation, which is called as results. The advantage of CAE is that you can predict the behavior of any component without actually manufacturing the same in less period of time. In ELEATION's Training, Internship, Placement Program, students will get complete training on ELEATION's Basic to Professional Training Program, Industrial Internship Project on CAE's, ELEATION's ANSYS Basic to Professional Training Program Certificate, Internship Letter, Letter of Recommendation, Experience Letter, Free License Version Software, Placement at ELEATION. The registration fees for ELEATION's Training and Internship Placement Program is INR 1000. In ELEATION's ANSYS Basic to Professional Training Program, students will learn theory of FEM and CAE, 1D geometry creation, editing and meshing, 2D geometry creation, editing and meshing, 3D geometry creation, editing and meshing, static analysis, transient analysis, modal analysis, thermal analysis, nonlinear, dynamic analysis, contact analysis, vibration analysis, computational fluid dynamics, fatigue analysis, and many more. All the students of ELEATION's Training, Internship and Placement Program will get individual industrial projects which they can use as the final year projects. All the students of ELEATION Training, Internship, Placement Program will get training certificate, internship letter, letter of recommendation and experience letter. Now I will explain the complete process which has to be followed by training and placement officer and student. Open the link www.eleation.com/placement. Once you open the link, it will open a training and placement officer portal page. If you click on detailed video, then on a new page a YouTube video will come. If you click on complete process, then on a new page a PDF will open containing the step-by-step process. Please click on sign up button. Once you click on sign up button, a sign up form will open. Enter your name, your official email ID, your contact number, college name, city, state. Select a start date on which you want to conduct the internship test. Select an end date till which you want the internship test to run. Select the start time on which you want the test to start. Select the end time at which you want the test to over. Please note that the students can see the score after the test is over. After you fill all the details, click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will receive a mail from hr@eleation.com mentioning you have successfully registered. Within 24 hours, you will receive one more mail from hr@eleation.com containing login link, login username, login password, student registration link and a college code. you have to share the student registration link and college code to all the students of 3rd year and 4th year from Mechanical, Civil, Production, Automobile branch. Once you click on login link, it will ask to enter the username and password. Please note, don't share the username and password with student as this login is only for training and placement officer. Enter the username and password, click on submit. It will open TPO dashboard. On TPO dashboard, on the left hand side, you can verify your name, email ID, contact number, college name. Just below that, you will find the exam start date, exam end date, exam start time, exam end time. If you want to change any details, feel free to contact us via hr@eleation.com. On the right hand side, complete process tab will open a new window which contains detailed process of ELEATION's training internship placement program. Pre-placement talk video button will open a video. Please assemble all the students of 3rd year and 4th year from Mechanical, Civil, Production, Automobile branch in a seminar hall. Connect any laptop or desktop with a projector and a speaker system and play that video. That video contains who we are, what is CAE, why to learn CAE software, about ELEATION's training internship placement program, ELEATION placement process. In student registration button, you will get a link and a college code which is same as the one which we have shared via mail. Please share the registration link and the college code with the students so that they can complete the registration process before the test. Students can do the registration on the test date too. Student result tab will open a new page in which TPO can see student name, email ID, contact number, year and branch of the registered student. Along with that, a TPO can also see the total score of each and every student. Once a student clicks on student registration link shared by you, then a registration page will open. Student has to enter college code shared by you, name, contact number, email ID, college name, degree, year, branch, semester and click on submit. Once the student click on submit, he will receive a mail from hr@eleation.com containing a login link, login username and login password. Student have to open the mail, click on login link, enter the username and password and click on submit. Once the student click on submit, then the student dashboard will open. On student dashboard left hand side, student can view his or her name, email ID, contact number, exam start date and time, exam end date and time. On the right hand side, complete process button will open a new page containing step-by-step process of ELEATION's training internship placement program. Pre-placement talk button will open a YouTube video which explains complete process about ELEATION's training internship placement program. A test link button will only get activated on the date and time of the test assigned by the training and placement officer. On the date of test, student have to log in using the login link, username and password to give the test. This test contains 50 multiple choice questions. Each question carries 2 marks. There is no negative marking. Questions are from general aptitude, strength of material, general engineering subject. The test duration is 60 minutes. Once the test time is over, the student dashboard will get updated. View score button pop up a message in which students can view the total score out of 100. View result button will open a new page in which students can view the questions, correct answers and the answers marked by them. The students scoring 80 or more marks or top 5 students will see the start learning button, and all the other students who have given the test will see pay now button. All the other students can click on pay now and pay 750 rupees to start the training internship placement process as they got 25% scholarship. All the students scoring 80 or more marks or top 5 students can directly click on start learning button to start the training internship placement program as they got 100% scholarship. Once any student click on start learning, a new page will open. Course content button will open a new page which explains what topic is covered in which session. Total score button will open a new page which contains score of individual sessions. Once a student completes all 65 sessions, then he or she can click on training certificate button. Once a student clicks on training certificate button, then he or she can download training certificate in PDF format. Once student completes all the 65 sessions, then he or she can click on internship project button. Once a student clicks on internship project button, a zip or a RAR file will be downloaded, which contains CAD model and a problem statement in PDF format. As soon as he or she clicks on internship project button and download the project, then the same button will convert into internship test. Then the student have to click on internship test button, which contains 20 multiple choice question. Once he or she gives the internship test, then the same button gets converted into download letter button. The student have to click on download letter button to download internship letter, letter of recommendation and experience letter. So, ELEATION's training internship placement program starts with TPO registration, in which TPO will assign the date and time of the test, then share the student registration link and college code with all the students of 3rd year and 4th year mechanical civil production automobile branch. Using the link shared by TPO and college code, all the students will register. After that, students will give online internship test. All the students scoring 80 or more marks or top 5 students can start ELEATION's training internship placement program for free. All the students will do online training on ELEATION's NSYS Basic to Professional Training program, complete online industrial internship. After that, we will conduct the placement process first round for all the 4th year student on 22nd and 23rd February 2020. Placement process second round will be conducted on 7th and 8th March 2020. And placement process third round will be conducted on 14th March 2020. We will release the offer letter along with the joining date and process on 15th March 2020. Now, I'll explain the placement process. ELEATION placement process first round is an online technical test which we will conduct on 22nd and 23rd Feb 2020. There will be total 50 multiple choice questions. Total test mark is 100. Questions will be from theory covered in ELEATION's NSYS Basic to Professional Training program, NSYS software, strength of material, basic mechanics and FEM and FEA subject. To clear the first round, students have to score 80 or more marks. ELEATION placement process second round is a technical interview. All the students scoring 80 or more marks are qualified for the technical interview. Technical interview will be telephonic. We will call all the qualified students on 7th and 8th March 2020. We will ask 6 questions from theory covered in ELEATION's NSYS Basic to Professional Training program and NSYS software. To clear the second round, students have to give correct answers of 4 or more questions. ELEATION placement process third round is a tool test. All the students qualifying the second round are eligible for third round. In this round, we will share a CAD model along with the problem statement in PDF format. Students have to perform the analysis mentioned in the problem statement, create the presentation and submit the presentation to hr@eleation.com. All the students clearing the third round will get offer letter along with the joining date and the process on 15th March 2020. Now I will explain ELEATION's job description, roles and responsibilities. We are hiring for the position of CAE project engineer. The CTC for this position is INR 3.8 lakhs per annum. Job location is Pune. Job timing is Monday to Friday, 10 am to 6 pm. CAE project engineer has to perform analysis on CAE project at ELEATION's Pune office. CAE project engineer has to give presentation on analysis performed by him or her to ELEATION's client. ELEATION project engineer has to work on new product development department of ELEATION clients. Thank you very much for watching this video. I would like to end this video with a quote that engineers create future only if they can predict it and are prepared for it. So keep learning new technologies to achieve the goal. If you need any updates from us, feel free to contact us via hr@eleation.com. Thank you very much for watching this video.